In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy options on ThinkorSwim. So the first thing you can do is you can go to the Setup tab up top right, and then you want to go to the Open Setup Wizard, and here you can go ahead and select your workspace setup. Now, what you can do is go for options here automatically, which will basically set everything up to where you can easily trade options. So you can click Options, Next, and then set things over here, click on Next again, and click on Get Started. It's going to reopen up ThinkorSwim, there we go, and it's going to basically set it up to be ready for trading options. Then if you actually just want to go ahead and start buying them, you can go to the Trade tab up top here, and then you can just type in whatever you want to purchase. So for example, if I want to buy options of the Apple stock, I'm just going to type in AAPL over here, and it's going to populate the windows automatically. And then I have a bunch of different options. I have the underlying trade grid, and then here I have the options chain. Now in here, you can then just, of course, go ahead and select wherever you want to buy the options, a specific date, or of course, however you want to find it. And then here you can see the sells and buys that you have. You have the bids, you have the asks, and you can just select wherever you want to buy. Let's say I want to buy this over here. I can hover over it. It's going to say buy. I can click on it. And there we go. It's going to open up this order entry tool box down here where I can basically set everything. And of course, you can set the type of order you want, etc. And whenever you are ready to buy, you could just go ahead and click on confirm and then send. And that's pretty much how you can essentially buy options. Now, the orders will then be down here at the very bottom, as well as over here inside your monitor tab, you'll be able to see your orders. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.